Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Create a dedicated channel for offers and another for wants. Invite moderators and set channel permissions right away. Set clear rules covering trades, listing fees, age limits, and refund policies. Use pinned messages for fee schedules and acceptable item lists. Verify members with a simple role reaction to reduce bots. Add a read-only announcements channel for highlights and verified sellers. Encourage use of profile tags for location and plant experience levels. Post clear photos with measurements and pot or seed quantities. Use concise titles including species and size for faster matches. Specify price, shipping method, or trade preference for each listing. Offer a template listing, title, condition, photo, price, ship option, and pickup availability. Require timestamps in photos to prove current condition and prevent disputes. Use pin templates so sellers copy them quickly. Encourage buyers to ask for extra photos before committing to a trade. Confirm payment with tracked payment methods like PayPal Goods or Cash App. Agree on ship costs and delivery timelines before packing plants for transit. Ship plants with breathable packaging at recommended 3-5-inch spacing around pots to prevent suffocation. Use track shipping and add insurance for high-value orders over 0. Keep a trade log channel with transaction ID, date, and resolution notes for accountability. Report disputes to moderators and freeze accounts when evidence shows rule violations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.